Who is the phone so to me recorder? Won't program back.
You guys, you allow it to record. When you are done recording, you don't share the video.
Rampon.
You keep it to yourself.
I'm going to follow a TikTok.
Now I'm going to say.
Oh, I'm more.
So let me demonstrate what we did yesterday. So as you can see, I passed information that I'm using to log in from the sign up page. I passed it to the Matthew. I'm recording. When I'm done, I'll share it with you guys. So don't worry. You pass it to the home screen. Today we are going to look at how to add button navigation to the home screen. So whenever the user can move through different screens using the button navigation tabs at the same time. So what I first did was I added the button navigation, the button tabs, this one package, then also the safe area. I've already added these various libraries already, so there was no need for me to add it again from what we did yesterday. So there's no need for me to do that again. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a component that will host all the tabs. So I'll name that screen. Can you all see my? Please, can you all see my screen?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay, so I'll name that component home tabs. In my home tab, I'll first import the create button tab navigator but package.
No need fear.
Unfortunately, this one doesn't have to type it. Let me go ahead and the button navigation this one package that I've created. I'll create a method so let me do fonts like the way you do the start navigator. I'll do it font tab and I'll call the method create button navigation. Just like the way you do your stack navigator on your app.js. Do something similar. But in this case, you put it in a tab.navigator, this one. In a tab navigator component. So we are going to do it like this. Let's export import. you can first let's try and put it in the app.js so you see whatever I'm trying to do. Let me import it here rather so that you see whatever I'm trying to do. The moment I want to show you so that you guys will see whatever I'm trying to do. So now let's continue with the development. So we return the tab.navigator. In the tab.navigator, we will have to render call some screens as a component. We call some screens as components. So here lies the case. We already have an home screen. So we would like to add like maybe a profile screen and maybe a settings screen. So we can navigate through them differently. So let's come here. Let's create something like profile screen. And let's create settings screen. In the settings screens, let's create the function. So now in our home tab, let's add the screens that we created. So let's find the tabs. The name of our first screen will be home. Let's name it. Let's assign home to it. The component is so now you're done creating our tabs. You said let's import them. Undefined name. Let's check the address. The, okay. Let me stop passing it and just see what I So as you can see now, you can see all your button tabs. I'm sure the parameters were posted in the report. You can see your button navigator, your tabs now. Let me try and remove this one. Let that go up. Yeah, so guys, you can see your tabs right now, the button navigation tabs right now. Now you can move through different screens at the same time. We can navigate through different screens using a button navigation tab now. Please, do you have any questions? Now let's move this one. Okay, so now you can sign up. What's this? Hello guys, please, do you have any? This one is not a development file. Hello, please, any questions? That's one.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can go
Please,
ahead.
I think they sent us some place. You place your name there, actually. That's why it's not going back to the other side.
At the
One of the
sign up.
settings, yeah, you place your name there, like wrote Eric and the email to write an email there.
The home screen. No, I just
Yeah,
use
that
like static. I just use like static this one. So it's supposed to work. It shouldn't be the issue.
yeah.
I just moved this one. That
Okay.
shouldn't be an issue.
Okay.
I'm not sure that should be the issue now. The device just keeps disconnecting. I don't know why. Let me try and fix it. This is the guy who just sent this one. Did you join earlier on? That's what I did. It's just a home screen that I've created already, but with the rest, I just added this one to it. I created a button navigation from the start. Or you still want me to create all the screens and the button navigation because I did the button navigation. The guy who just posted a question in this one. Or you guys still don't get it?
So please, why don't you set a default name and email for it? Maybe correct email, then correct
Password.
name.
Okay, I've fixed it. It was the route,
Yeah,
this one
correct
that
password.
it was a route. Okay, I'll get back to you. Where is the sign up screen? Okay, so I took out the navigation property here. Prop here. That was why it was not working. But I think now it's working now. So as you can see, there are three different screens on your mobile app that you can use the button navigation tab to be moving through. Really, is that okay? So what I was just trying to do is I was just trying to like demonstrate how you could navigate to one screen. You could do a navigation from one screen to a bottom tab. I really want you to guys to go to because now that I have to go and pass properties in like the main home tab start again, and like it's going to become cumbersome to a lot of people because as of now some people are even saying that they can it's becoming overwhelming to them. That's why I decided to just take out passing of the parameters and stuff. The guy that I just asked, are you okay? I can do that, but a lot of you might become confusing at the end. That's why I decided to take that the parameters passing out. Please, are you guys okay? So let me try and go over it. Those of you that didn't join earlier on. So what I first did was I created the bottom tabs, including three components, three screens that I have. So first, you call the method create method tab. You assign it to the variable tab here. So it will go inside the navigator container here. This when you're done, then you call your screens, whatever screens you want to add, as many as possible. As many as possible. With this, you can set icons or you can use whatever image or something you might want to represent that with. But it has a default this one, which is the triangle facing down. Which is the triangle facing at the upside triangle. That's what you are seeing now. That's what you are seeing now. And the label is the same as the home, which is the name, which is the home profile and set. So when you are done, when I was done, I came to yesterday we set this place. This component was home screen, but now I've exchanged it to the home tab. Because when we navigate to the next, we want to see the screens that have been rendered on the home tab rather not just the home screen. So that's why I think that. So the guy asking the question, are you okay so far? Okay, that's nice. Is there any question so far? So yesterday, someone recorded it, but I asked in the class group that would the person if I could please have it. I've been searching for it since yesterday. I couldn't find it. That's why I brought the source code. So if like you knew any of your colleagues that had recorded yesterday, they could just send it. But I've been asking yesterday, no one has responded. So please, if you have the video, you can forward to me on the post so that we share it with your colleagues. So you since there is about 10 minutes the time, let me try and see if I can add the icons to the home tab. So maybe you get a feel of how it works and stuff. So let's say since we are using Expo, we can use the React Native vector icons. You can use the React Native vector icons. So it's a public library. You can install it by doing npm install React Native vector icons or yarn depends on what you are using. But I'm sure most of you will be using npm. So let's try and add it. So what we do is we do npm install React Native vector icons. But this one doesn't provide a terminal, so we could just call it here and we'll add it later to our this one. So we'll be using the ion icons from the package. It contains a lot of icons, but I'll be using the ion icons. So that will be Expo React vector icons. Okay, so it has been installed for us. When you go to your package organization, where is it from? Okay, it's here. So you can see it. Just a moment.
Yeah. You saw them in find the send. I phone
Andrews, please mute your this one and stop writing the screen. I'm coming in. So let's add tab icon. Guys, please, I'm coming in my internet. I'm trying to buy a coffee. Mm. I think you have to add it in the options table. Let's try the that I don't want to do it like if I want some of you. Okay, so this is how you expect it, but I don't know why it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to load. So the home mission is supposed to, this is how you're supposed to do it. But I don't know why it's not changing. Maybe if I'm doing it wrong, I'm looking to that. Go ahead. But basically, it's like,
Ali, assassin, job, wow. Hey, I can't miss the boys. I said,
you,
I
who's that?
miss the boys.
Yeah, so guys, I don't know why it's supposed I don't know why it's not working. I'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know.
I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead, please. I'm listening.
So if we are to add a drawer navigation, we
Yeah.
have to create another file, drawer tab, and then do a similar thing to what you've done with the tab navigation and put it in the stack navigation.
Yeah, so you could just do, I could just do everything in app.js, but for your code to look more nice and stuff. So that's why I'm breaking down different components into different files. You get it? When you are done, you just have to make sure that you come to you call it wherever you are doing your wherever your navigation is going to happen, you are going to call it there. So you could just create your drawer container, but when you are done, you should make sure that you have a reference of it in the app.js. I don't know if I'm right with that, but it's supposed to be something like that. Yeah. Please, are you okay?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Is there any other question? With a drawer, you have to install some other dependencies and stuff for doing it. It's almost time. I could have taken you guys through because I had the IT guys to have another class if I'm right. You guys have another class, right? Then in our next session,
Yeah.
we'll do the drawer so that we become a complete stack navigation for you guys. So you can use it for whatever you are doing. And assignment, some of you was asking whether if you can use the tailwind. Please stick to the raw styling like that. Don't use any framework or something. Please stick to it. Because in your exams, you are not going to get tailwind and stuff. And yeah, and so please stick to the raw styling. Use a style sheet component that you have and create your styling with it. Don't use tailwind and stuff like no UI framework or stuff. Just stick to the normal ones you are using. That's why, as you can see, even during classes, the normal addition stuff. You just have to install the required libraries. You don't go ahead using like other external libraries that like maybe they are not the main, they are not the required ones. You stick to the normal one. In case maybe you want to continue your studies, further studying and stuff, you can continue to use other packages and stuff. But let's stick to what we are learning. If you want to learn further, you can do that. Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so if no other question again, then I think I have to end this.
There is a question in the comment.
Can you get a handbook for the GSX or CSS limited to raw code you are learning for this course? So basically, I'm not sure you can just chew everything into your head like that. It depends on what you want. So like, it depends on what you want. So you just have to learn maybe I don't know, some few things. So whatever you are going to do, and you maybe the way you structure your application, you get to know where you place your components and stuff. I don't know if that's the question you are asking. So if you could see yesterday, Sir explained to you how I went about how I arrange whatever I'm trying to do on my explanation stuff. So for here, it was these two components were in the view container, and I placed it in the row, and the justify context was like space between them. But these two, and I placed these two in a column. So that's basically that. So you can't show all the styling that are there. You just have to make sure that you know what you are doing, how you are going to structure your application and stuff. Okay, so that one I think we can get it from there. I'll try and get some. But for me, that would not be advisable. But you just have to learn the basic layout and stuff. But I'll get them online. I'll share it with you guys. Yeah. So is there any question? Are you having any issue with the assignment so far too? Yeah, any difficulties with the assignment so far? The objective is going to be this one. The I is going to be objective.
Oh, we thank God.
Amen. Is there any other question? Any other question, please? It can be about us. If not, then I think we can end it.